Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video we are going to be talking about Polka War. Their IDO is going to be launched on Yellow Road in 4 days from now. As you know that Yellow Road IDOs are amazing and easy to participate. If you don't know about Yellow Road IDO model, it is really simple. If you are under top 1000 token holder position, then you will be getting guaranteed allocation. First person in the leaderboard will be getting $996 allocation, whereas all the users above 100 position will be getting $306 allocation, and from 500 to 1000 all the user will be getting $11 allocation. So that is how simply you can participate and get yourself whitelisted. And also if you can't make it to 1000th position, then you don't need to worry. You can hold a minimum of $50, and then you need to fill out the whitelisting form, which I will be sharing in the description. And also if you are a liquidity provider for Road BNB pair, that will be an absolutely amazing opportunity for you as well. Your LPs will be counted as double. For example, if you provided a liquidity of 400 road token, then it will be calculated as 800 road token. So that is also something really cool. So that is how you can simply whitelist yourself. And now let's move on to the project itself. The project looks really amazing. It is a DeFi and gaming NFT platform, and it is a new generation of blockchain based gaming platform. So that is something really good. And now let's understand what it is and how it works. The decentralized fighting game platform Polka War is a blockchain based NFT gaming platform and marketplace inspired by the recent crypto NFT and gaming narratives. Polka War will combine them both to build an attractive platform. So as you know that currently NFTs are getting lots of hype, and also gaming are also getting lots of hype in the blockchain. So this Polka War will be combining both narratives into one single portal itself. So that is a game changer itself. So they will be allowing players to play game, build character, and participate in different battle against other players. And also furthermore, Polka War will also include an NFT marketplace where player can sell their items, weapons, and upgraded equipment for crypto. So that will be something really great, that you can play game as well as earn money. You can build your character and then sell it for crypto that you want. So that is something really interesting. So here are the game characters. These are three different game characters, that is a warrior, magician, and archer. You can check them out. And also here are the game items that you can collect and buy from their portal itself. As you can see this, there are lots and lots of stuff that you can buy with BNB. As you can see this, normal gun ranges from 0.1 BNB. So you can purchase it right from the portal itself. So here are the Polka War products. The first is Polka War Realm, the NFT based decentralized fighting game. Everyone can create or build their own character, battle to have fun, and earn more profit. There will be two arenas, that is individual and team. There is also a mission and reward system for each level. So this is the first, that is Polka War Realm, where you can create your own character and fight with different opponents. And there will be two arenas, that is of individual. You can play it individually, or you can create a team with your friends and then battle with others. So that is something great. And the second is Polka War Marketplace, the NFT marketplace where player can sell, buy, and bid equipment or weapons for their characters. So it will be a marketplace where a user can buy and sell different equipments or weapons that they have created for their characters, so that they can upgrade it more and then they can sell it on the marketplace. Third is Polka War Logistics. Logistics is a solution for those who want to own NFT in real world. Logistic will allow conversion of NFT item, equipment, and weapons to physical real world tangible item. So this is a game changer itself. Means Logistic will be allowing user that are interested in owning real world asset rather than NFT, so they can convert their NFT item into physical real world tangible item. So this looks amazing. And now let's talk about the use case of the token. The first is play to earn. User can earn P-War token by participating in game battles. Means there will be in-game battles that user can participate and earn P-War tokens. And the second is purchasing and renting fees. User can earn through leasing their equipment at marketplace. Means all the user who are participating in the game can also lease their equipment at marketplace and earn. Staking reward. User can stake P-War token to earn more token and gem to level up equipment. So user can also stake their P-War token, that is Polkavore token to level up their items or equipments, and also they will be getting gems that can be used to level up their equipments. And the fourth is marketplace fees. They are used to pay for goods and services in NFT marketplace. And the fifth is farming reward. Liquidity provider will be able to earn more profit by locking LP tokens. Means if you are a liquidity provider and want to provide liquidity, then you can provide it and lock your LP, and you will be earning even more profit. And the last is governance. Token holder can participate in decentralized governance process. As you know, governance process are really good and make project even more transparent and community driven. So these are all the 6 major use cases of token, that is Polkavore. So the token has some great use case. So here is tokenomics. So they are having a total supply of 100 million token, where they have allocated 35% to in-game mining and platform staking, and 20% is allocated for marketing, and 20% for foundation, and 2% is locked for PancakeSwap listing, and 3% for public sale, and 10% private sale, and 10% for advisors and strategy. So this is how the tokens are allocated accordingly. And also good thing is that they will be also performing vesting for each and every allocation. That is, advisor and strategic will be locked for 3 months, that is 5% vesting for 20 months, and private sale, that is 10% TGE and 10% for 9 months. So in this way they will be having 100% unlocked after 9 to 10 months. And the third is foundation, that is 20% every 6 months. Means foundation tokens will be locked for 20% every 6 months, will be released as marketing, that is 5% vesting for 20 months. In-game mining and platform staking will also be locked for 5% vesting for 20 months. This way tokens are scheduled unlock accordingly. So that is also really cool. And here is token release schedule. So it shows how many months after listing that it will take to get the tokens in circulation. That is 100% of the total circulating supply will take around 24 months after listing. And now let's move on to the roadmap. So they have some great upcoming future plans. That is, currently we are on Q2 2021, that is public sale and listing on PancakeSwap. And then coming up on Q3 they will be having testnet, character system, battle system, Polkavore marketplace testnet. So lots and lots of stuff are coming. That is on Q4 they will be launching mainnet, that is equipment system, Polkavore marketplace mainnet. Means all the Q3 testnet will be completed and will be launched in mainnet on Q4 2021. And on Q1 to Q2 2022 they will be having Polkavore logistic and multi-chain, that is NFT renting. So this roadmap looks really amazing and I'm really hyped for the future. And here are their investors and partners, that is Polka Bridge, China Polka. So they have some great backers, as well as Yellow Road is also backing them as their IDO partner. So they also have some great partners and investors backing the project. And also check out their all the social medias to get the latest update, and make sure to get yourself whitelisted right now, because in 4 days our IDO will be starting. So make sure to get yourself whitelisted before you miss out. And that was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.